Once upon a time, in a bustling city, lived a young boy named Amir. Amir had everything: wealth, friends, and all that this world could offer. Yet, he felt empty. One night, unable to sleep, he decided to take a walk, not knowing that this journey would change his life forever. As he walked, he stumbled upon a small, dimly lit mosque where the sounds of soft prayers echoed. He entered the mosque, feeling a calmness wash over him that he had never felt before. As he sat in silence, Amir began to reflect on his life, on the purpose of his existence. Suddenly, he remembered a verse from the Quran. Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. With every moment, Amir felt his heart lighten as if a heavy weight had been lifted. That night, he found more than just a mosque. He found his purpose. Amir now lives a life filled with faith, humility, and love for Allah, knowing that true contentment lies in his remembrance. May we all find peace in our hearts, as Amir did, through the remembrance of Allah.